In this video, you'll learn how the application discovery function in Symantec endpoint protection hardening helps you to identify which applications you should isolate. After you enable endpoint protection hardening on your cloud portal, an Applications tab appears under the Discovered Items section. The Key Performance Indicator bar provides the starting point for your application analysis. Application inventory is a scheduled task that runs daily. Total apps represents a listing of specific critical applications running on Symantec endpoint protection clients that have hardening enabled. Symantec calculates key metrics for each application that is discovered during inventory. The vulnerability score is calculated based on vulnerabilities associated with each version of an application. Protection coverage indicates what percentage of devices running the application are protected by a hardening isolation policy. And finally, risk is calculated based on an aggregate value of vulnerability score, protection coverage, and prevalence. Any application that appears under Vulnerable Apps has a vulnerability score of 7.0 or greater. Special consideration should be given to these applications. Applications under At Risk are those applications without the proper protection coverage and vulnerable to malicious threats and attacks. You can click the name of the application from any screen to drill down to the details page of that application for further analysis. Details about a vulnerability for any application is available. Based on our analysis and metric data provided by Symantec, we determined that an isolation policy should be applied to devices that are running this particular application. After the isolation policy has been applied to the application, the at-risk value in the Key Performance Indicator bar is now 0. Any application that generates isolation events appear under Violating Isolations. Access the application's details page to drill down and view individual events that have violated the isolation policy. Thank you for watching. Look for more informative videos in the Endpoint Protection Hardening playlist on YouTube on the Symantec Support YouTube channel.